Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's quick video, one of my girls are going to be showing you how to assemble our Father's Day goodie bags. Make sure you watch the entire video to find out how you can grab this free download. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos and more freebies. Stay tuned.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Alright guys, you can grab this freebie by heading on over to our website and checking out our latest blog post for the Father's Day printable goodie bag. Click the download PDF here. It will be added to your cart. It is free, but you will have to proceed to check out like you normally would, but no payment is necessary. Alright guys, I really hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you end up using this free download, please tag me on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook at Hanging with the Kiddos. You can find the links to all the materials that I use to assemble in the description box down below, along with the link to our website where you can download this free Father's Day goodie bag. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.